Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a purse collection. I'm just going to show all the purses that I have since I guess since I was little up until now. So let's get started. I hope you all enjoy the video. So I'm not going to go in any particular order, I'm just going to just grab and show. So first I have this a crossbody bag, and it's black and white, kind of, I think it's like Aztec print, and then it has tassels on it, and you can zip it up too. And then there's like a compartments in the inside. And I think I had this purse since I was like, I'm not sure, probably like 11 or 12. I've had it for quite a while. Then here is a recent, this is actually a clutch, not really a purse. And I got this in late 2019 for my senior homecoming. So it was back in 2019. And it's just like your average clutch. And it has flowers on it, pretty cute. And it's by the brand Liz Claiborne. Then I have this purse, and I had this purse since I was in my sophomore year of high school. So I had it for almost 4 years. And it's from Claire's actually, and it's just a purse that has like little different prints on it. Like it has hearts, lips, hands, a unicorn. It says, "Get it, girl, best babe." It's pretty cute. And then also you can either wear it like this, or either you can have it on a shoulder / crossbody. I have this little purse, and I haven't worn this one in a while, and I got this one when I was in junior year. I think I got it for Christmas, and it's just a little fuzzy little purse, and it I don't know what this type of opening is called, but it like opens like this, and then it has the a gold chain strap, and it's a crossbody purse. It's pretty cute. Then I have this purse that I believe I got in senior year around Christmas time, and I actually still wear this one a lot because I do wear a lot of pink whenever I put my outfits together. So I always like to wear this purse, and it's from Forever 21, and it's just a crossbody bag, and the straps are it's pink, like the same material of the bag, but with the gold chain around it. And then I also put these little ball keychains on that I had for a while. And it's just one of my favorite purses, and it has this little compartment right here. And then this one right here. Pretty cute. Then I have this floral purse that I believe I got this in my senior year as well in 2019, but it was a little bit before homecoming, I believe. And it's like, it's kind of more of a spring / summer bag, even though I got it around the fall in 2019, but it's more of like a spring bag, but it's white with flowers on it, like pinkish flowers. There's a little bit of blue in it, like right here, right there, some purple, but mostly like pink flowers. And it's cute, and it could be worn either just with these two straps, or either you can wear it as a crossbody bag. And it has these zippers and stuff, but pretty cute. Then I have this purse, and I got this for Easter in 2019 because I wore a purple dress and purple shoes, so I wanted to match with my bag. And it's by the brand Max Edition. and it has flowers, like these cute little flowers on the front. And it's also a crossbody bag, and it's has the gold chains, and then it's actually silver, and then the straps. And then this one you just open like this, and it also has compartments for cards too, which is pretty cool. Here's a purse that I believe I got when I was in my junior year of high school, or either it might have been the summer before junior year, but it's Love Betsy by Betsy Johnson. I got this from Ross, and it's a cute little mini bag, cute and girly. It's pink and white, has hearts on it, pretty cute. And then it also came with this little little key. Well, it's not really a keychain because it actually doesn't have it, but it's like tied on there. And you could either wear this with the straps or either the crossbody, and this one is pretty cute. Then here is an old bag that I've had since I was 13. I got this for Christmas in 2015. And it kind of reminds me of those pink Chanel bags. Well, of course, it's not Chanel. It's like, I don't even know what brand it is, but I know I got it from Amazon. And it's cute. It's pretty pink. It has a bow on it. And it actually didn't come with straps like this because the strap that it had, for some reason, it kept on breaking off. I don't know why. I think they were like poorly constructed, so I just decided to use this strap that I had from another purse, but that purse, it broke, so I just decided to use the straps from here. Like, it works pretty cute, and the gold on the straps matches the bow too. Then I have a very old Victoria's Secret mini tote bag, and I had this since I was like 10 or 11. My mom gave it to me, and it's pretty cute. I don't really wear it as much anymore, but I'm thinking about maybe revamping it, if that's the word, because I have like a little bedazzler thing, so I might see if I can revamp this and maybe start wearing it again. But it's just cute tote. Side looks on the inside. Pink and gray. And here's another old bag from Victoria's Secret that my mom gave to me when I was little, when I was like 10 or 11. And it says sweet thing on it, and it's just like a little mini tote. And then here's how it looks on the inside. And then here is another old bag, and surprisingly, despite it being old, it's still in very good condition. I believe I got this purse when I was like 10, I think, from Ross. Like, it's a very long time ago, almost 9 years ago. It's by the brand Deb and Dave. I haven't really heard of it, but it's cute. It's leopard and pink, and it's like kind of fuzzy. I don't know if you can tell, but it's also like the little fuzzies kind of have like a sparkle to them, but you probably can't tell. And then of course the top is on black sequin is really cute, and it's a crossbody purse. But although it's old, I still would wear it because like it's like in really good condition. But yeah, it's cute. This next purse I got from a party I went to as a party favor, and it's just a cute sequin crossbody purse. It's mermaid sequin too, so it kind of has a effect like if you move the sequins, it'll switch, and then like it just goes to the opposite pattern, like how it's silver at the top. If I do that, it'll go back to black, and then like it's just opposite pattern, but it's pretty cute. And then it has pink straps. Then this next bag, I actually got this recently. It's actually an old bag, but my mom gave it to me like just a few days ago, and it kind of reminds me of Y2K 2000s, so that's why I really like it. And it's just this red bag with hearts on it. It kind of reminds me of Valentine's Day. And Valentine's Day just passed, so it would have been cute to wear if I went. Well, I did like go out on Valentine's Day, but I didn't do a lot. But if I would have went to like quite a few places, I could have wore it, but in a cute outfit. But I like the little heart charm on the front, and it's just so cute. And it has like one of those little buttons to open it. But I plan to wear this pretty soon. Then this next little purse is more of like a backpack purse. I got this from Claire's back in 2014, so I was like 12. Like I just made 12, and it's pretty cute, pink and girly. And then it has one of those like little, I don't know what it's called, but it's like the little button like type closures. And then also it has a drawstring to close it too. And then the backpack straps, but this is pretty cute. It's kind of old, but still cute. Then I have this Fanny Pack, I think that's what it's called. I had this since my junior year of high school, I believe. And the zipper is like, I don't know if it's like holographic or rainbow, but it's like different colors. And then it's just clear, so it's like, this is good like if you're going to like a concert or something, they want you to have a clear bag, or like if you go to an amusement park and they want you to have a clear bag, this would be really good. So I don't really wear it a lot because I don't really have like a reason to, but maybe like if I ever go to like an amusement park in the future or something, or like a water park, this would be good to bring. But on me, it's kind of, I have to put it on like the smallest adjustment because it's like big on my waist if I don't have it like adjusted to the smallest size, but still cute. And then last but not least, I have a Coach purse. And my older sister got this for me, and I'm very happy that she did. This is my first designer bag. It's pretty cute, and it has one of those like little button type closures, and also it has like a little pocket. Then it has zipper, like a zipper compartment. Then it has two other compartments in the inside, and that's my wallet in there. And also it has like a pocket back here, but it's really nice. Like it's, although I don't wear blue a lot, I still have like a few blue items in my closet that I can pair with it, but it's really cute. So thank you all for watching my purse collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. God bless you all.